Bye-bye. Come look at your room. Hey, welcome back. So today is hump day. So y'all, it's Wednesday, and guess what? Well, for one, we just got done grocery shopping, so we have a counter full of groceries. But you guys, I can't even talk. Guess what was delivered to my door today? Well, to my dining room. My table! Granted, this camera does not show the depth of this table. This table is long AF, okay? But you can't tell because, I don't know why you can't tell. But this is my table. I don't think I want the chairs. I want the chairs to be, hold on. But yes, you guys, and my buffet server. Oh, I love it so freaking much. Like I said, I got these from Ashley Furniture. So, not looking used and worn. Y'all ate on it already. But anywho, I'm going to finally be able to do my gallery wall. So y'all gonna see the dining room transformation video coming very, very soon. Okay, so now you can tell how long the table is, I think. It's pretty long. But I'm about to move these chairs. I think I want all the chairs to be on both sides of the table, not at the ends. Probably won't be like that when we actually have company over, but for my sake, right now, I want to see what that looks like. But I think it looks really, really good with the carpet, the rug, and with the chairs. Okay. I feel like we can have a whole conference right here at this table if need be. So I think I like them on the sides better than I do like on the ends. Kinds of makes more space in the room too, because this table is pretty doggone long. Y'all, I love this table and chair set. I'm so glad I decided to go, because I initially ordered the table with the chairs that the table came with. I went to the actual store, because I bought all this online, right? I went to the store and saw the chairs in person, and don't get me wrong, I liked them, but the look I wanted to go for, they were too dark, they were too gray, and I really didn't want to do like gray in here, okay? So I went on Amazon, and I knew that my bar stools were going to be pretty cool. So I was like, let me look at the same places I'm getting my my bar stools from, and lo and behold, they had some really good dining chairs, and I like how big they are too. What's up?
Did you notice anything?
What?
I washed dishes.
Oh, you washed the dishes? Thank you. I saw them, but I didn't know you did it. Thank you, Lou. But yes, you guys, loving the table. Oh, it's giving the room character, honey. It's the character for me.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give
Yeah, so I guess I'll give y'all a mini grocery haul real quick since I just pulled the groceries out. So, if you ask me, it's a whole bunch of junk. Oh, my battery better not die on me. So, let's start with our stock cold brew. Shout out to Aaliyah's Face, because I would have never known about the cold brew coffee that you could just buy at the store. I would have just continued ignoring it. But ever since she talked about it on her channel one time, girl, I've been hooked. And I like to use the Silk almond creamer. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Half this, majority, like 97% of the stuff that's up here is for my family, because I can't eat it. Now, I will eat these. They do have potatoes in them, but not a lot. I pick out most of the potatoes, and I eat a couple. I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you. No cap. Pistachios, definitely mine because I freaking love them. Avocado, just... I like Viennas. I don't care. Viennas. I don't care how old I get or how bougie I think I am. Your girl gonna eat some of these with some hot sauce. Okay? Don't play with me. I did get me some Noosa. I really like the Noosa. It's really good. I got a salted caramel. That is the best yogurt ever. Cuties for the kids, but look, I like cuties too. So hey, we're gonna indulge. I love me some good old Canadian bacon. Got some of that. I got my eggs over here because nobody else in the house eats eggs but me and Rye. I got me, which I'm about to try to snack on some of this stuff right now. Got me some salami, some fresh cut salami, and some more salami because these are delicious. Absolutely delicious for keto. Yeah, that's pretty much all that's mine. I do have this applesauce. Yes, it has plenty of sugar in it, but you gotta indulge every now and again. Pretty. And what else do I have for myself? Absolutely nothing. I got some sausage, not for myself, it's for everybody, but hey, it is what it is. I got a couple avocado, like whole avocados, so I can eat on my keto bread. Got some bacon, so I can eat my keto bread. I got some, I don't see them. Oh, I got some green onion, and I have, where? Oh my god, dang on lemons. So I low-key just want to eat a lemon. So that's pretty much all of what I have. About to put everything up. I told y'all that I wanted to kind of do like a little pantry reorganization. I want to do it, but do we have light in here? Oh, we do have light in here. I could low-key, sorry y'all, my battery died. I could low-key go ahead and do it, but I need to do their hair. So, whimpers, snappers. That's gonna stop me. But I bought these like organizers and stuff from Big Lots a while ago. When I say a while ago, I really mean a while ago. Let me show y'all something else too. Y'all probably already seen it on my Amazon favorites video. Y'all, this right here is life. This little plastic bag holder. I have elevated. I think I'm bougie now. No, I'll probably bougie when I get like an electric one. But I'm elevated in life because y'all know the black folks always have them bags under the sink, under the counter, whatever it be at, you know what I'm saying? Yes. But I don't even, you know, they're not even in there. Y'all give a girl a clap. She's elevating in life because she ain't got them, you know, in the cabinet. I got a question. Have y'all ever went grocery shopping and then realized when you got home put all the food in the refrigerator that you ain't getting nothing? Like, what is this? I'm confused. I'm really confused. There ain't nothing in this refrigerator. What is going on? It's giving, we need to go back to the store and get some more food because we're not going to last a week off of this. What is this? Being an I saw it going down, but I ain't feel like catching it. Being an adult is ghetto. It's really ghetto because $250 for food is no food whatsoever. And being a parent of a baby is ghetto as well. Because look at this little baby. What in... Just somebody ask Jesus why. What do you have to say for yourself? You better not touch nothing. Help me, Jesus. Guys, we are starting the baby's room today. She's sitting over there on the bed. So, this is the wallpaper that we have for her room. So she has more like of a lilac type of colored wallpaper with the green and stuff. So I want to tie in like all those colors in her room. But we're going to go ahead and get started by putting up the wallpaper to her walls. And we're going to put it on this wall with the window. The reason why I chose these walls is because once you walk in, you see the wall. So I didn't want to put it on like a wall over here or a wall over there because you can't see it. But depending on how much wallpaper I have for this particular room, if I could kind of bring it over maybe there or here, I would definitely do that because I think it'll be cute. And he's looking at me like that was not the plan. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Somebody's helping putting up her wallpaper. It's gonna come out. The tape gonna come out. All right, you guys. This is wallpaper number 2. And mommy needs a squeegee. Alright, you guys, so we got the curtains and the wall up. Looks really cute. She's over there watching something on YouTube. About to put her little carpet down. Her little rug is a much lighter pink than what I was expecting to be in the wall. But oh well, it'll do. And we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of the stuff together. Alright, you guys, we're done with the room. Rye, come see your room. Rye, come look at your room. Come, it's finished. It's finally done.
Where's my phone?
Okay.
You ready? Look at the room. Look at your room. Oh, look at your room. Look at your bed. Look at all your stuff. She's like, I see nothing but on my back. Do you like it? Yeah? Oh, pretty! Yay! Can I have a hug? Yay! Give Daddy a hug. You like it? Yay!
Wow.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product for now. Of course, over time we'll add probably like paintings and all that other stuff, but for right now, this is it, you guys. She has her little canopy as well on her bed.
Daddy,
And
Give me
wallpaper.
a bit.
And so we're probably gonna get like a big painting or something to go right there, and then like, I don't know, probably like a little sitting area. Uh-oh, hold on, y'all. We'll probably do like a little sitting area or something for her right over there, but for right now, that's fine. So this is also a Little Seeds dresser. We got this from Ashley's Furniture. Bedding is from Target, 5 and below. All this came with the bedding. These 2 pillows are also from 5 and below. The curtains came from TJ Maxx, Home Goods and Marshalls. Wallpaper from Etsy, and also the rug from Amazon. Yes, and also the clothing hamper too is purple. We got that from Burlington. Our TV was also hung up by DJ and Sons. They came in and did a great job. They hit the cords, all that good stuff. So, yep. And then I got these 2 from Marshalls and Home Goods. Yep, that's pretty much it in this room. Okay, we're gonna leave you be, okay?
Say bye-bye. Wait, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. She's like, okay, I won't watch TV now.